Hello, I'm doing an unboxing of this. It's backwards, but it's a 10-inch light ring light. It has a tripod and USB charging. Okay, let's open this. There we go. Not too bad. Okay. Here's the tripod. Nice. Looks like these are the directions. Here's the ring itself. Nice. Looking at it has controls right here. Here's the USB port. And here is for the phone. No, this is for this bottom. Now let's put on the top one. Yes. Here we go. Pretty long charge time. Cool. In a minute. Oh, we gotta lock this ball. I'm about to light it up so you can see. Isn't it neat how you can use a computer USB charging port to use power? That's how we're going to do it for now. Just for this video. Here we go. Ooh, yes. On and off. Then here. A different stream, different kind of lights. And then it's at the brightest right now, but you can make it lighter. That's the lightest. Different colors on the different lights. I love it. I look forward to using it on the review. Or the unboxing of my Circle water bottle and accessory. I'll see you on that video, everyone. Have a good day.